Alright, so I got 5 more vinyls, or boxes of vinyls, in the mail today. It looks like these were actually from a few days ago, because the mail was slightly delayed. Now these are all from the Sound of Vinyl, as mentioned in my previous videos if you have not seen those. And these are also from the free vinyl promotion, where you would just pay shipping for vinyls and get them shipped to you for free. There was a way to get 2 vinyls in 1 box, so I did that a few times, and I also got some vinyls in single boxes. So I'm opening the first one, and there's about 5 boxes here today. But anyways, this is the most that we've gotten, maybe the second most that we've gotten so far. But these particular boxes that they use, there's no other way to get them open than to rip the boxes. Yeah, well, what are you gonna do? I like to reuse some of these. Well, I suppose I could do it this way. Just go around it. I should have used my scissor, but I'm not gonna do that. We'll just do it by hand. Ooh. Maybe that was a bad idea. I just caved this thing in, and it's still not even opened. See that? How does that happen? It didn't even open. Did we get it? We got it. I just caved it in, that's all. So there's a shipping label here. The vinyls themselves. Did I get 2? I got 2. Alright, so we'll get rid of this empty box. I got Beastie Boys. And I got the Eels. Beautiful Freak blue vinyl. These were all shipped without any issues. They all arrived in perfect condition. The next vinyl, let's see, this one, it doesn't feel very heavy. I predict it is a single vinyl, but we'll see. Well, this one I can actually open because they put something under the cardboard or something. Alright, that works. What did we get? Ah, here's one that I've been waiting on for a long time. Get rid of the shipping label. And it's Root Down by the Beastie Boys. So I got 2 Beastie Boys vinyls today. Very cool. Next. This one feels pretty heavy. Now I wonder, I suppose this isn't the special edition version. There was a green version and a black version. It's probably the black version. Anyways, this one is a little bit, it feels a little bit heavier. Could be 1, could be 2. Now, I'm trying to think if maybe there's an easier way to open this thing, but I guess there's not. See, because it keeps ripping. But we'll get it. We'll get it. I got it. So we got 2 more. I don't know what happened to my shipping label. All right, so I got Chris Cornell again. This one is actually in good condition and it's not bent like the other one that they sent me. And I got Almost Famous limited color vinyl, music from the motion picture soundtrack. And my shipping label is in there. I'll go ahead and put that aside. Shipping label. Okay. Frustration-free packaging. That is not true. It is very frustrating. Anyways, the next one, which should be easier to open. It looks like it's in a single vinyl package. Frustrating packaging. Well, there you go. I just took off the whole glued thing that was there. Anyways, we got our next vinyl. I got Nirvana Unplugged. Very nice. It was nice to get that one. No shipping label. Sometimes they just throw these things in there. They don't even put labels. So no, there's no shipping label included. Not that we need one or anything. Who cares? And the last one. It could be one. It could be two. That I don't know. Well, let's see. That one was easy to open. We got our shipping label. To get rid of our shipping label. This one is nice. There's only one, but it's garbage. Beautiful garbage. On limited edition white vinyl. And that's all we have for today. We've received a lot of our vinyls, and I still have a few missing vinyls. Hopefully those arrive. Otherwise, I'm going to have to request a refund from these guys for the shipping, but I'm not complaining because I have done really well, obviously, and I received a majority of the vinyls that I have ordered from The Sound of Vinyl during their great record promotion. It's been great. It's been fantastic. So I highly recommend The Sound of Vinyl. They have a good selection and discounts. They're run by Universal Music. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment.